I'm so satisfied. To be honest, I'm inundated with work, so much so that I'm turning work away. It's been so good. Hi, my name's Shane and I own a company called Adorable Gardens. We started in 2002, so that's 23 years, been going in business now. I'm a sole trader, served the Newton Abbot area. It's been really successful so far, doing really well. Well, previously I was with Yale. To start with, back in 2002, when I first set up. It was about a year later I went with Yale, and I was with them with the book. It was great to start with, and then it became more digitalized and they were fading out the book. So then it became like the website, which I found, you know, it wasn't brilliant. It was really expensive. The customer support wasn't there. You ring them up, you want something changed, and then it would take forever for them to sort it out. So yeah, I didn't like that side of it, and it was so costly. And like I said, the customer support wasn't there. Well, to start with, it was a lot cheaper, obviously, which is no brainer. But it wasn't just that. It was just, I went on to the company just to see, you know, their website and see what they were promoting, and it looked really good. They had examples of the, you know, different websites they've done. It looked so much more professional than what I had. And the fact that there was customer support there, and you can change your own like wording or pictures if you need to. You know, I don't have to ring up somebody to try and sort it out when I can just do it at home. I mean, the guy, Simon, I think he was called, came out to my house. It was a very relaxed atmosphere. You know, he went through all what I could have done, give me some examples. It just felt like a nice, relaxed atmosphere, where when Yale came out, I just feel like I was under pressure. Like it's like a sales pitch, you know, and oh yeah, you can have this done, that done, and it's gonna, and you just knew like the money's going up and up, or what, how much is this gonna cost, you know, in your head. But yeah, the support from It's Easy is really good. Well, they've been really, really good. I'm so satisfied. To be honest, I'm inundated with work, so much so that I'm turning work away. It's been so good. Always getting emails from the form on the website that customers fill out. So yeah, that's really good. Definitely. I mean, they've helped me grow my business so much. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them. They're a lot cheaper than Yale, if I would say, comparing them with Yale. The website, you know, looks really good. I get a lot of comments and about them, yeah, about the website. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them. The customer support is there as well. So if you just need to, you know, bring up for a problem or something sorting out, they can sort it out for you. So yeah, I definitely recommend them.